any most ruthless lion attacks ever recorded. Lions are top predators, and they do not accept living with any predators in their territory. Discovering a herd of noisy white dogs in the opposite forest, the dominant male lions fiercely rushed to attack. Too scared, the white dog pups quickly ran away. The white dog pups, caught by the male lion, were all killed and then eaten on the spot. Hunger is the source of lions' cruel hunts. The lions hide in the bushes. They suddenly approach the zebra herd. When the distance was close enough, the lion began to accelerate and pounce on the nearby zebra, completely giving the zebra no chance to resist. The lion pride begins its meal right at the scene. Desperately, despite risks, the hyena clan tried to reach the lion pride's unfinished meat. Despite warnings from the lions, the hyena clan continued to make the lions really angry. The battle was fierce, more prominent in strength. The lions attacked ruthlessly, causing many hyenas to be seriously injured. The hungry black-backed jackal tried to approach the male lion with the intention of getting some food. The thief who created this newspaper greatly underestimated the king of the grasslands. The male lion angrily took his prey and left. The black-backed jackal tried to fall, completely forgetting that this was the territory of the lion pride. The lions were trying to hunt the antelopes nearby, but the appearance of the black-backed jackal ruined everything. The anger was transferred to the black-backed jackal. The lioness frantically chased the black-backed jackal and bit it to death on the spot.